guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be tackling my kitchen. So as you can see, I have quite a bit of things laying around my kitchen. This weekend, I did not feel like doing anything. I just wanted to lounge around in the living room with my son and my husband and just watch TV all day, which is what we did. But today being Sunday, I wanted to get stuff done so that tomorrow I can work on my new video, which will be tackling my master bedroom. So I'm going to go ahead and start by clearing out the countertops. The first thing I wanted to show you were these airtight containers that I got from Walmart. I absolutely love these. And I am also going to be linking in the description box below this Bluetooth keyboard. I use this when I'm answering comments on YouTube. I like to link it to my cell phone so that I don't have to type using the little keypad. I can just use the keyboard. It makes it so much more easier. Right now, I'm going to be unloading the dishwasher, and I am very annoyed because I accidentally left the stove on, and this is what happened. Burnt on food on my favorite nonstick pan. So I'm going to go ahead and soak that later on and then throw it back in the dishwasher, and hopefully that will help get some of it off. Another thing that I'll be linking in the description box below is this child-proof magnetic door locks. I love these things. I use them all over the house, and no matter how hard Jacob tugs on the door, he cannot open it. And I was wondering if y'all have been getting a ton of get out and vote solicitation cards in the mail. Me and my husband have gotten a ton of them. I don't know how many we've had so far. I think we've gotten at least 5, and of course you just throw those things away. But yeah, it's really annoying. Just send one. That's all we need. So right now I am using the Mrs. Meyer's Acorn Spice to clean off the countertops, and I'm also going to be cleaning off the things that sit on the countertop. Obviously right here you can see I am wiping down the paper towel holder, and I had only intended on wiping down the spice rack holder, but I decided to go through and actually disinfect every single spice container, because while I am cooking, I know that there is like oil splashing, and I'll be grabbing different jars to, use while I'm cooking. So I thought it would be best to disinfect each one individually. I'm also going to do the same thing with my knife rack, but I'm only going to be wiping down the knives that are in the back of the knife rack. The ones that are in the front I use regularly, so those actually go into the dishwasher, so I didn't mess with those. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I'ma go too fast. Hi. What is my little man doing? Oh, it's 10:38. It's almost your nap time, Baba. Jacob. Hello. So after putting Jacob upstairs for his nap, I'm going to be putting away some of his bibs. As you guys can see, we have a really convenient pocket behind his high chair that I can store those in. I will be using the Lysol all-purpose cleaner to be cleaning his high chair. I'm just going to wipe everything down. I know that you can put the front cover, I believe it is, in the washer, but it just doesn't seem like it's strong enough to handle being in the washer, so I just spray everything down and clean it that way. So I wanted to go ahead and take a few seconds and introduce myself. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Crystal. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and choosing to clean with me today. On my channel, I do a lot of stay-at-home mom vlogs, as well as cleaning motivation, shop with me, and grocery hauls. If you guys enjoy those videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave comments down below. I love reading comments and getting to know everybody that watches my videos. And please subscribe and join me on my YouTube journey. So we are loading the dishwasher now. I do have quite a bit of dishes to load into the dishwasher. As you can see, my sink is pretty darn full.
ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better when the sky is blue? I know I do. In a summer state of mind, we'd be wasted all the time. In a summer state of mind, in a summer state of mind. Hands, put 'em in the sky, raise your hands. We ain't got no worries, only plans to make
So I don't know about you guys, but I get totally grossed out by having to clean the little drain stopper that is in the sink. Right now I'm just trying to push all of the food into the little drain stopper, but like I said, that thing totally grosses me out. I really hate cleaning it.
Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better when the sky is blue? I know I do. In a summer state of mind, we'd be wasted all the time.
So I was wondering if you guys are big Dollar Tree shoppers like I am. This leaf tumbler is one that I bought from Dollar Tree. I posted about it on Instagram a few days ago. I bought 4 of them. I'll go ahead and post a picture of it right here. But I absolutely love shopping at Dollar Tree. They have the most adorable finds, especially in the fall and Christmas time. I'm really hoping that they have some adorable Christmas tumblers as well, because if they do, I am snatching those up.
Getting closer to midnight, I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking. If it's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling higher and higher. I'm up on cloud 9. Baby, I adore you. I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against a red cup makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking if it's a shot of love. Baby, I adore you.
So I know you can't see it very well, but you can kind of see in the corner my little tier tray with the little pumpkin and a squirrel on it. I decided to finally give in and make my own tier tray last week, and I'm so happy that I did. I love the way it came out. It is far from perfect, but it can hold all my little decor, and that's exactly what I wanted it to do. I had gone to Hobby Lobby to look for a tier tray, and there was no way that I was going to spend $32.99 for a tier tray. They even had somewhere that were like upwards of $50. So no, I drove over to Dollar Tree and bought everything I needed and just spent $6 on it. And this is probably a random little thing to note, but I am watching Unsolved Mysteries while I am cleaning. I don't know about you guys, but I love watching older TV shows. I'm really not big into a lot of the TV shows that are out today. I really love older shows like I Love Lucy and Unsolved Mysteries. So I am just continuing to clean the countertops, and I'm also going to move over and clean off the bar top area. But I was wondering if you guys are as sentimental as I am. As you guys could see, I was holding 2 blue greeting cards in my hands, and like I said, I was wondering if you guys are like I am. I actually keep every single greeting card I get, unless it's from someone that I don't really care for. But I do have a box upstairs in my little sitting area that has every single card that I received. And now that I'm married, I'm also keeping every single card that my husband receives, as well as my son. So I am moving over to my stovetop, and I am going to be using the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser to clean my stovetop as well as my microwave.
Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you, adore you. Trying my best
Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope this video gave you guys a lot of good cleaning motivation and you cleaned with me all the way until the end. If you guys did like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. And please don't forget to hit that bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. If you guys are returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back and watching my videos every week. I truly appreciate it. I hope y'all have a wonderful day and I'll see you again in a few days. Bye!